Just
So Kevin called, he goes, hey, I'm gonna take Brett to do some batting practice. Where, Kevin? Where are you doing batting practice? Because I have a
pretty good. Hold her again.
Oh, do you really? Pretty good.
Just right up here, so we can go to the other side of Centennial Medical Center.
That's what I thought. So we're just
Yeah,
gonna
we
get
can
that